I am going to make an animation using the program FireAlpaca. FireAlpaca is my go-to program for drawing. It's not a program specialized in animation. It is actually not possible to save something as an animation in FireAlpaca. So what I will do is images that will serve as frames that I then will string together in another program. I will use Pencil 2D for that. FireAlpaca is using layers. So I will generally do line work in one, or possibly more than one layer, and color in a different layer or more than one different layer. There are a couple of things that makes FireAlpaca a good tool to make animations. Under View we have an onion skin mode. Onion skin is a function that allows you to see images before and after the current layer in blue and red. That helps to get the animation smoother. In onion skin mode you can also play the animation using autoplay. Each layer will be a frame in the animation, and it is possible to set the speed of the animation in frames per second. Since each layer becomes a frame, that will be a bit of a problem if you want to use different layers for lines and colors. There is, however, a way to solve that problem that I have discovered only recently, and that is folders. You can add folders to your layer window. You can then put layers in your folder. When you run an animation now, the folder will be the frame in the animation, not each individual layer in the folder. So now you can keep the lines and colors separate. You can have different layers for different characters and, of course, for the background. What I am going to do here is that I will put a number of folders in the layer window, and in each folder I will put a layer with my background. On top of that, I will put a layer in each folder that I will use to draw a stick figure of the animation. When I am happy with the stick figure animation, I will put in a new layer in each folder for doing the line work. do a bit of copy and paste of some of the stuff that I don't want to draw from scratch in a new frame when I already drawn that in a previous frame. There will be a bit of playing the animation and adjusting the line work to get things looking all right. When I am happy with the line work, I will add a layer in each folder for the color of the character. After some additional adjusting of stuff, I will save each folder as a PNG file. Each image will now be a frame, and all that I will have to do is to string them together into an animation, and as I said in the beginning, I will do that in a different program. So at this point I am finished with the work in FireAlpaca.